Hey y'all, Instinct Survival is coming again with another 2-Tip Tuesday. This time we'll be talking about dry goods and jerky. Striplin's General Store, hot, by the way. All right, so dry goods. What is the benefit of having dry goods in my bag? Why would I use it? What's the overall benefit? And how do I carry it? So you can see that I'm actually using a Ziploc bag. I've since purchased several of these tins. I think I bought 5 of them. These are 16-ounce food grade. Now, if you're going to put dry food in it, such as flour or cornmeal, make sure it is food grade. Okay, just as a by the way, it's a safety thing because you never know what's inside the container. It may be oil lined, and well, you're going to get sick. So any heat gets to it, starts getting into your food, not good. Anyway, so why am I going to use dry goods in this case, cornmeal? Because all I got to do is add a little water to it, make it into a nice solid dough, so not something that's real runny. Then put it on the fire in the ash and cook me up some cakes, so to speak. The other side of it is if I did it with flour, you could do the same thing, and you've got bannock. Exactly, it's just the base for bannock is water and flour. You can add sugar, you can add, I think some people put powdered milk in it. Not too bad, helps. Fruits, nuts, berries, whatever you want to put in it. It's up to you, it's your bread, so do what you want to. For cornmeal, salt is probably the best thing. Some people have added sugar to that as well. And the reason being is because it makes it kind of like that Jiffy mix. Now, that being said, that leads me to the next thing, right, is Jiffy mix is a great thing to put in here. Just add water, right? The difference is I think Jiffy mix actually requires eggs as well, maybe even oil. But keep in mind, it's just another thing. Look for the just add waters because they are beneficial, and it's a whole lot easier. One of the biggest things I use is potatoes. So Idahoan, I said it right. Makes several different flavors, and that's one of my favorites. I actually make sure that they're in my pack all the time. So dry goods, you can store them in these. I'll put the link down below. I think they're on Amazon, as well as Self-Reliance Outfitters. They had a special. Jerky. So what's the benefit of jerky is protein punch. So you can actually go in this case, this is hot, not necessarily that I would use that. Not necessarily that I would use it for other means, but I would definitely take and eat this. Add it to ramen noodles as an example. Have the boiling water, add your ramen, add your jerky, and then drink the broth as well, especially on a cold night. Makes you nice and toasty inside, and then you can have that nice little protein punch so that you're good to go throughout the entire evening. Now, one other thing to think of it is, this gives you that immediate thing, especially if you're going hunting and you don't have food. You've got to process it even if you kill it. This is one of those where, as I'm hiking in and as I'm trying to go find and as I'm tracking it, it helps to have this inside your body. Now, another tip for these, this is your free tip of the day, if you will, is bait. Now add a little water to this, make some small balls, and leave it along the trail. Guess what? Raccoons and possums love them. Squirrels, yeah, they're kind of like, oh, that's cool. Cornmeal, they like that. Flour, not so much. So just as a by the way. And then same with jerky. Now, would I give them the hot one? You might get them for a couple of pieces, but that's about it. I don't know that they actually have taste buds, but in my opinion, I don't know that I would do hot. But hey, nice way to spice up the meat on the inside before you get them. So that's it, guys. Real simple, real easy. We got dry goods. We got the way to store them. Again, food grade containers, and then jerky so that you have that protein punch. Neighbors got the grandkids over. They haven't been over in a long time, so mainly because it's been raining. So good for them. Glad the dogs aren't barking. So there's that. Anyway, guys, thanks for all you do. Thanks for your likes, your comments, subscribes, and all your support. Till then, use your instincts to survive. Thanks for watching.